It is for the prosecution to prove on the evidence that the defendant murdered Edward Royal and that he did so intending at the time to kill him, or at least to cause him really serious bodily harm. If you're not sure that the defendant struck the fatal blow with the knife, then that is the end of the prosecution's case, and you must return a verdict of not guilty. The defendant's fingerprints were found on the knife. Traces of fibre and blood linked him to the deceased. But of course, it is not in dispute that the defendant was present, and therefore your deliberations should revolve around deciding whether this was indeed an accident, or, as the prosecution claim, an act of murder. You may think from all you've heard, particularly from the defendant's mother, that the defendant was in fact desperate to escape from his mother's home. You may feel, given the severe nature of his mother's attempt to restrain him, that this was an understandable ambition, but you may also feel that his desperation to find an immediate supply of drugs was such that nothing would be allowed to stand in his way. Did he therefore intentionally cut down the deceased in an attempt to escape and find drugs? If you so find, then it must follow that his defense should be rejected and he should be found guilty of murder as charged.
Is someone going to ring us from the court? Let's know what's happening.
Well, Pete said it.
But you can't do that again. Hello? The jury's just gone out.
I'd kill for a cigarette. Or perhaps not.
They're going back in, love.
Will the foreman please stand? Please answer the following question either yes or no. Have you reached a verdict on which you are all agreed?
Yes.
Do you find the defendant, Nicholas Charles Cotton, guilty or not guilty of murder?
Not guilty.